What if I told you that with a few savvy moves and smart clicks, your traveler dreams could easily shift from your imagination into your itinerary without breaking the bank? That's right. The realm of affordable travel is not just a myth, it's utterly achievable, and I'm here to share the top insider flight hacks. Have you ever found that elusive cheap flight while everyone else seems to be paying through the nose? The secret often lies in choosing the right time to hit book. Timing is everything in the realm of budget travel. Most seasoned travelers swear by the off-peak seasons. Think late winter or early autumn. During these times, not only do you avoid the crowds, but you also reel in significantly reduced airfare rates. Booking during off-peak seasons isn't just about saving money. It's about experiencing destinations in a more intimate, personal way, without the usual throngs of tourists. But don't forget to consider destination weather, of course. Moreover, diving deeper into timing, studies suggest that booking your flight about 4 to 6 weeks ahead of your desired departure, particularly on a Tuesday afternoon, can unveil surprisingly low rates. Why Tuesday? It's typically when airlines release their last batch of affordable seats, post their initial sales rush. Trip planning can occasionally feel like a gamble, but with strategic timing, it can become a calculated strategy that leads to spectacular saving victories. Who says the start of the week has to be all doom and gloom? Transform your Monday blues into Monday. Let's fly. Quite literally, flying out on days like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday can offer some of the lowest fares you'll find. It's an open secret among budget travelers that weekends catch a premium, since that's when most people prefer to travel. This typical weekend bustle is what you can avoid by choosing a weekday to travel. Not only could your wallet feel thicker, but the usual airport chaos diminishes too, making your travel experience smoother and faster. Further enhancing this strategy, consider flying out early in the morning or late at night. These less desirable times often come with cheaper tickets, as fewer people want to travel at odd hours. This tactic not only cuts costs, but gives you a quieter, more relaxed journey. Who wouldn't welcome a more stress-free start to their vacation? So next time, think twice before booking that Friday night flight and opt for a wiser, wallet-friendly weekday departure. Lastly, let's talk loyalty. The world of airline rewards programs can be your golden ticket to cheaper and even free travel. It may initially seem daunting, but mastering these programs can lead to hugely beneficial outcomes, especially for those who love to explore new places without spending a fortune. Signing up for a travel rewards credit card can be a good start. Choose one that aligns with your favorite airline or provides versatile points that can be transferred. Remember, the goal is to use these cards for purchases you'd be making anyway, and pay them off in full each month. This approach ensures you're collecting points effectively without financial drawbacks. Additionally, stay updated on various promotions and partnerships that airlines run. Often they collaborate with hotels, rental services, and even restaurants where spending can earn you extra miles. These strategies don't require extra spending, but merely a more thoughtful approach to where your dollars go. Before long, you could be booking flights with points accumulated from last year's grocery bills. Travel smart by understanding these nuances, and turn each journey into a case study of cost-effectiveness and comfort combined. There you have it. These proven strategies are your ticket to not just travel more, but to travel smarter and cheaper. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips.